Hey guys, hello my non-existent fan base, and today I am going to show you how to make this night mech thing. 2 days ago I made the Berserker one. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out, I recommend it. I think I like that one more, but this one's more of an intricate build. Anyway, so I was going for a kind of nightly aesthetic, but I'll talk more about the actual build after I've showed you how to make it. Alright, so like in the Berserker mech, there's going to be 3 parts, right? And sadly in that Berserker mech video, I made the mistake of filming vertically. And I'm sorry about that. I will start off with the body. So, it's not very difficult. Right, so I'll start off with the bottom section. Kind of interesting. This piece, this piece is, it's a connector. There were 2 weapons on either side that you had to pull off. But I saw the connector could be used as a piece, and I used it for a sort of beltish look, which I thought turned out fine. Now, so here we have a 1x2 brick with the pinhole in it, and this peg. So you put that in there, and then you put one of these on. I'm not too sure what this piece is called, but it's quite common. Put it on there. Now, you take this ball joint connector, and I have this 3-way ball joint thing. Yeah, actually I'll put that on afterwards. Put that there. Now, this is a 1x2 with a single stand in the middle, as previously mentioned. The weapons connector thing, that looks pretty sick. There. On. Then this thing will connect onto this and this. Like that. There. This thing will kind of tilt a little, that's fine. Now, the upper body bit. Not too hard. So it starts off with this base piece. Then we have 1x2 with the clips. Put them here. One there, like so. Then put this on the bottom, like that. Next, we have this upside down sloping brick and a ball joint. Put that there. On this side. Then do the exact same thing with the ball joint facing that way. Put on this side. Then put a 1x2 on the bottom of a 1x2 brick. Put it down. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention, but I'm still sick. And I didn't put out videos for a while because it got very bad. Here's a 1x2 with a pinhole. Put that there. Now you don't need to have this pinhole there. I just kind of ran out of pieces, or I couldn't find any. This I got from like a Star Wars set. I'm not too sure what this piece is called, but just put it on there. But don't keep it like that for now. Then take this piece and put it there. there'll be a slight gap there, don't worry about that. Now, put this 4x2 plate there. These L-shaped things. And a 1x2 circular piece with a stud on top. Now push that back, and this is a cool body looking piece. Now we'll do the head. The head's pretty interesting. I mean, it's done in an angle. Usually it's done like that, but I've made it sort of like this. Now, you could make a simpler head if you don't have the pieces. I mean, I could barely find these pieces. I made this head years ago, but I didn't know how to use it until I made this. Anyway, so I have this piece here. It's supposed to be, I got it in this roof sort of that. Then take this L-shaped 1x2 with that extra piece there. Stick it on like that. Give it a bit of height. Take this sloping piece. Put a see-through stud thing there. Make it a bit colorful. Then put it on. And here, excuse me, we got this hair thing and this stud with a hole in it. So you can just put that in there and put that on and kind of move it to the side so it gets a good angle, kind of like the wind is flowing. Well, it is. It's quite loud. Then put that on there. Make sure this thing goes here. Put that on. Now, for the less intricate bits, but they're quite well made, fancily designed, the legs. So, the first part of the legs has a ball joint connector. Then you put another ball joint connector on the top facing the other way, and these two pointy pyramid things. Yeah, simple enough. Then here we have this ball joint connector and ball joint piece. Put a 1x2 flat plate on the top. Then one of these pieces, I don't know the name of it, on the side. And then put that on there. Then connect it like that so that this thing and the triangle things are facing outwards. And this part straight. Next, the feet. So we take a ball joint connector, take this upside down slope thing, do it like that, 1x2 brick, 1x2 slope, there, we have the foot. So then you just plug the foot in, and there. Sorry about the lighting. My door keeps opening and closing, and that's pretty much my lighting right now. You just mirror the same thing on the other side. Make sure that the pyramids are facing the other way. This thing's facing the other way. And the angles of the feet are the other way. Then connect them here and here. I've had this build for quite some time. I'm looking to remake it. Watch out for that video. Anyway, the sword hand. Right. So for the sword hand, this is even simpler than the legs, but you'll need that sword piece. Anyway, so we have this sideways ball joint connector and a ball joint connector. That on top of each other. Then take this ball joint and ball joint connector, plug that in there. Now, this is a ball joint connector, and just put the sword piece behind that and attach that there. Next, take this grill piece, this lantern grill, put that there. 1x2 flat brick, keep that there. Then here we've got one of these grabbing blocks, and this curved blade thing that I think looks pretty sick. Put that on there, push it down. Then this 1x1 circular see-through orange thing that matches with the sword. Put that on the side. Now, for the other one, it's the exact same but the other way around, mirrored, up till here. But the next bit we have to do is to make a shield. So, this is the shield. I've made it out of axe pieces. So, here's one of the axe pieces. Put the other one on top like that. The other one here. Then behind that, turn around, put the axe there. You can have it like that, you can have it like that. Doesn't really matter. There's no particular way that I prefer it. And then I have this face tile, this circular face tile, and I'm gonna put that in the middle and give it more character. Then the connector piece, the sideways connector piece, and this clip hinge piece. Then I'm gonna put that right here. Then I'm just gonna clip it on the hand. Oh, sorry. It's easy for that thing to come off. And there. Now, the only thing I don't like about this design is the sword. I mean, I think I could have done the sword a little bit better, but pieces cost money, don't they? I mean, I like the fact that you can move this around. Looks pretty sick like that as well. There.